Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LED with 8051. For writing this code, we are using Keil compiler, and for debugging we will use Proteus. Firstly, work on Keil. For those who are working on Keil for the first time and want to make project in Keil compiler, I have put the link in the comment box. I have already written the code and for explaining I am going to throw the code step by step. Now open Keil software and follow my commands. So first go to the 8051, go to the LED part, LED1 part. In this I have already write the code. In this we are using a Keil compiler. This is our Keil compiler. This is our code. In this, firstly we are using a one header file that is called #include rg51.h. This header file is for the 8051 microcontroller for the series of 8051, 89C51, atmel, any families. Suppose we have to work on bit operator, any pin, work on any pin, then you have to use S bit. After that, we are using a void main function. In this, LED equal to 1 means LED is connected in, suppose I have to show you first. This is our Proteus. Now, okay, then zoom. This is our LED part. This is our IC. It's a 40 pin IC. 4 ports are there. P0, P1, P2 and P3. Each port is our 8 pins. P0, P1.0 to 1.7, 0.0 to 0.7, 2.0 to 2.7 and 3.0 to 3.7. We have to connect our LED with P1.0. So I have write a code for the same. The anode part is connected with the pin and the cathode part is connected with ground. Means if this LED on, we write 1 for on and 0 for off. We have to write same code for this in Keil compiler. LED equal to 1 means you have to on the LED, after that provide some delay, then LED equal to off. We have to write a delay with the help of for loop. In for loop, we are using a void delay function. We are using unsigned int I because we are using int unsigned means you have to range up to, suppose integer is a 2 byte. It means it range up to 0 to 65535. So you have to write unsigned means you have to write the value of I up to 65535. Means after that I equal to 0. So first initialize the value. After that check the condition. If condition is true, then increment. This loop continue work up to 6000 times. After that come here, then LED off, then again provide delay. Means LED on, provide delay, then off, then delay. This is our code. After that go to the build option, this one, then this one. This is for the creating hex file from LED1. After that, before you have to write this one, go to the project, option for target and target 1, then output, then write the name of the hex file and the tick on create hex file. After that OK, then already created hex file for LED1. Go to the Proteus, double click on the IC, go to the folder of hex file name is LED1, then after that OK, then